Hackers don't always break in. They wait for you to make a mistake. These are the real habits I use daily to stay protected from spyware, scams, and digital traps. This is CyberShieldTV. If you care about staying safe online, tap subscribe now. You'll get practical tools and advice without the fear-mongering. First, I assume every link is dangerous. If I didn't ask for it, I don't tap it. That includes emails, text messages, QR codes, even links in apps. I preview URLs or visit the site manually. It takes a few seconds and it's stopped more than one phishing attempt. Second, I use different emails for different things. One for shopping, one for banking, one for subscriptions, and one just for friends and family. That way, if a retailer gets hacked or sold, my main inbox doesn't get flooded. I use StartMail aliases to manage all of it without needing multiple accounts. Third, once a week I clean up my apps. That means going through every app on my phone and deleting anything I haven't used in the last 30 days. Then I check permissions on the ones I keep. Most people have dozens of apps they've forgotten about, and some of those are still tracking, syncing, or spying in the background. And hey, if any of this is new to you, now's the time to subscribe. These are the kinds of real-world privacy tips we break down every week. Fourth, I never use public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Airports, hotels, cafes, even cruise ships. My VPN activates automatically and keeps everything encrypted. I use Surfshark and it also blocks ads, trackers, and malware links. If you're using public internet without protection, you're gambling with your personal data. Fifth, I don't use passwords I can memorize. That sounds risky, but it's safer. I let NordPass generate random complex passwords for every login. It autofills, alerts me to breaches, and even audits weak or reused passwords. All I have to remember is one strong master password. These 5 habits keep my data, identity, and devices secure every day. They're simple, repeatable, and they actually work. If you want direct links to the tools I mentioned, download the free Trusted Tools guide below. Everything I use is listed there. And in the next video, we'll show how your camera and microphone might be accessed without your knowledge, and which permissions to shut down immediately. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.